New information tonight. We're getting new insight into how Richard Allen's legal team plans to appeal his conviction for the Delphi double murders. A jury found Allen guilty last December for murdering Abby Williams and Libby German.
He is appealing that verdict and his 120-year sentence. Fox 59's Max Lewis explains the key ruling from the judge that his attorneys are going after.
In a motion filed this week, Richard Allen's appellate attorneys for the first time revealed the elements of the highly watched case they plan to use in an attempt to reverse his conviction, telling the court they, quote, intend to raise the denial of the motion to suppress and the exclusion of third-party evidence on appeal. The motion to suppress deals with the warrant used to search Allen's home, where detectives say they found what they dubbed the Bridge Guy starter kit, including a blue Carhartt jacket, numerous knives, and the gun that police say they connected to an unspent bullet found at the crime scene.
It's certainly worth taking up because this is certainly an outlier case on the facts.
Allen's defense attorneys argued that the chief investigator on the case, Tony Liggett, omitted facts and fabricated witness statements to obtain that warrant. However, Judge Fran Gall ruled there was no evidence of that and declined to throw out the evidence found in Allen's home. Defense attorney John Tompkins thinks the strongest argument could be on the second issue, which is Judge Gall's ruling that Allen's defense team couldn't present evidence that pointed to other possible suspects.
Remember, they thought it was two people, and they released sketches of two people, and they asked the entire nation to identify those two people, neither of whom was the eventual defendant.
Delphi investigators had several suspects over the years, including Ron Logan, who owned the property where the girls' bodies were found. Logan was such a suspect that police searched his home in the weeks after the murders, but he was never charged. Investigators had long believed that more than one person committed the murders, but never explained why their theory changed.
Because the jury needs to understand this was not a single perpetrator theory, and this guy was not the first guy that you wanted to arrest.
But Tompkins says less than 5% of all convictions are reversed on direct appeal. Allen's attorneys have not yet filed that formal appeal, saying they have not yet received all the necessary evidence. In the newsroom, I'm Max Lewis, Fox 59 News.